Hi everyone, we have question number 4 of exercise 2.2 which says that a sandwich costs $3 and a drink costs $2. So we are given the cost of one sandwich and one drink. Then we are asked to write an expression to show the total cost of buying X sandwiches and Y drinks. And the second part is find the total cost of 4 sandwiches and 3 drinks, 20 sandwiches and 20 drinks, 100 sandwiches and 25 drinks. So we need to write an expression for the total cost of buying X sandwiches and Y drinks first. So taking a start, we will start with the data that has been provided to us in the question, which is that one sandwich is represented with X and the price is $3. The price of one drink represented by variable Y is $2. So this way the total cost, if a person takes one sandwich and one drink, so that would be 3x plus 2y. Now this is a general equation we can utilize when finding the total cost of the different number of sandwiches and drinks taken. So in here 3x means per dollar or per sandwich we will have per sandwich we will have to spend $3. Let's say that sandwiches, we get 5 sandwiches, so one sandwich, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each one of them costs $3. Just to make the concept clear, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So it means that $5, sorry, 5 sandwiches will, and each sandwich having the cost of $3 will cost us $15. So in here, therefore, we are having 3x. So this x is the amount of the sandwiches. So if it is 5 sandwiches, so it would be $15 for 5 sandwiches. The same is the case with drinks. Let's say we are having 3 drinks, so each drink is $2. Sorry, this is 2, this is 2, so 2 y we are having, so 2 in here we are having 3 drinks. It should be like this, so 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. It means that we will have $6 to be spent on 3 drinks. So therefore, now adding the cost of each, in X we will place the number of sandwiches, in Y we will place the number of drinks, and adding them we will get the total cost. So the very first part of part B is asking us the total price for 4 sandwiches and 3 drinks. So X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to 3. So we will plug in the values of these variables in the equation that we have just expressed in here. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So for 4 sandwiches they have to give $12 for 4 sandwiches, and 3 drinks they have to give $6. 12 plus 6 is equal to $18. So if you're getting 4 sandwiches and 3 drinks, you have to pay a total of $18. Then the next part is what will be the total cost for 20 sandwiches and 20 drinks. So again we plug in the value of X and Y. This is X, this is Y. So 20 sandwiches and 20 drinks. 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60. 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40. To 60 plus 40, it would be $100. So if there are 20 sandwiches and 20 drinks, we have to pay $100 for that. That will be the total cost for it. So 100 sandwiches and 25 drinks. Again, we identify our X and Y. Sandwiches are X and drinks are Y. We have represented them here. And in here the values of X is 100, value of Y is 25. We plug in these values in the equation. 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. 2 multiplied by 25 is equal to 50. So 300 plus 50 is equal to 350. It means that if we are buying 100 sandwiches and 25 drinks, we have to pay a total of $350, in which $300 is that of the sandwiches and $50 is that of the drinks. I hope it's getting clear. It was a word problem, with the help of which we were able to express or write an expression or equation, and then use that general equation in different situations. That is a different cost for the different number of sandwiches and drinks. When the cost is fixed and given, the numbers can be placed in the equation and we can find the total cost. That's all for this question and its solution. Happy learning!